Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word often used in science and discussions of uniformity: homogeneous. It might look complex, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is homogeneous. Let's break it down. First, we have ho, which rhymes with go. Next is m, a soft, relaxed sound like the A in sofa. Then comes g, which sounds like G in geese. After that, we have ni, which rhymes with C. Finally, we have us, which sounds like us. Now let's put it all together: homogeneous. Try repeating after me: homogeneous. Now a little faster: homogeneous. And at full speed: homogeneous. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Homogeneous refers to something that is made up of parts or elements that are all the same or similar. For example, a homogeneous mixture in science is one where the components are evenly distributed, like salt dissolved in water. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce homogeneous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.